Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Midjourney to create UI UX app design. So, what is Midjourney? Midjourney is another AI that generates images from natural language description called as prompts, similar to OpenAI's DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. So, let's talk about Midjourney later, and I'll show you how to use Midjourney to create UI UX design. But first, what is UI UX? So let us see here the meaning of UI UX. So UX stands for user experience, right? It is human first approach to product design, while UI is human first approach to designing the aesthetic experience of a product. So you can read here the full description of UX and UI, but to summarize it all up, UX is for the user experience. When you are using an app, you are testing its purpose, how you will use it, how many times you will use it, just like that, and the full experience of how you use the app. While UI is the aesthetics of it, like the images used in the app, the icons, the bars, and the buttons. That's how UI works. So now let's go and try to make a UI or UX design on Midjourney. So let's go and open a new tab. But first, I will show you what is a UI UX design. Let me show you some samples. Here are some samples of mobile UIs. You can see here some samples, some UI designs. Actually, you mostly see and do UX on your daily basis when you have a mobile phone and a mobile app. Now let's try creating UX or UI designs on Midjourney. As you can see here, UI design using Midjourney, you can create UI screens, app icons, product images, logos, and mascots. Now let's go ahead and open a new tab and search for Midjourney. Just click the first link that says Midjourney and you will be headed to the Midjourney page. So as you can see here, it's a page that has moving codes. So if you want to join Midjourney, you just need to click join beta. But let me tell you first that if you want to use Midjourney, you need to have a Discord. You will need Discord to use Midjourney because Midjourney is a bot. So when you click join beta, you will be headed to your Discord. So make sure you made a Discord first. It's easy to make a Discord account. Just download or open Discord on your browser. You need to have an active email and an active number. Just the two of that and you're good to go. So once you've created your Discord, just click join Midjourney and then you will have Midjourney appear on your Discord. As you can see here, you can see Midjourney and you can see all of the people that are using Midjourney now. You can see here so many cool designs, right? Can you believe it that these pictures, these images are made by AI? So if you want to explore more about Midjourney, you need to go to the channels here, and especially as a new Midjourney user, you need to explore the newbies channel. We have 3 newbies channel here. So if you want to use Midjourney just by yourself and you don't want to go through all of these traffic, all of these people using Midjourney, because sometimes when you simultaneously use Midjourney all together here, it will be kind of difficult to track your images or designs that you want Midjourney to generate for you. So if you want to use Midjourney by yourself, you can do that by clicking Midjourney here and then click add to server. But first, you need to create your own server first. I have my own server. It's easy to create server on Discord. So once you have your own server, just add the Midjourney one to your server, and then there you go. Midjourney is now added to your server, as you can see here. And then if you want to activate it and use prompt and generate image, I'm going to first make a new channel for Midjourney. And then I'm going to click slash and find image. Click this one. And you can see here prompt. And this is where you can start typing what you want Midjourney to generate for you. So let's say food delivery application. Or you can be specific. Pizza store application user interface design. So you need to accept the terms and condition first. And then Midjourney will start generating for you. So I had a problem here that says it can't view the channel, so I'm gonna need to enable it first. Once done, I'll resubmit, but there is another error and it says here subscription required. Now, due to extreme demand, we can't provide free trial right now. Please subscribe or try again tomorrow. So now it is really hard to use Midjourney nowadays because it's getting famous and more people are using it. But still, I will show you how to use Midjourney if you would like to subscribe for Midjourney. Let's go back to the Midjourney server. So when we go here to the newbies channel, you can see many images generated, right? For example, these are UX UI generated. And you can see here they have been detailed on what they want Midjourney to design for them. There are so many designs here. All the generated images are quite impressive. And you can see here that it says the tower tarot card, the tower has a crown. This person is very detailed on what he wants Midjourney to create for him. And when you go down here, let's have an example. Full body Warhammer 40k male inquisitorial interrogator, etc. So as you can see here, Midjourney generated 4 pictures. It is usually 4 images. And you can see U1, U2, U3. So he chose U2, right? And you can see here that under the next generated images, it is only U2 that is now on a 4 version. So upscale U2, that's what's U4. So he chose U2 and he has now 4 different variations of U2. And what he has done next is that he chose the U2 picture, and now you can see it is only 1 image, and this means that this is the image that was chosen by the person who generated these. So you can just explore and learn more about Midjourney through their server. Just visit them and you can learn from all of the people that are using Midjourney here on its server. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this video helped you, and it means a lot if you like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.